To make sure we understand each other and refer to the same thing, here is a collection of terms relating to e-bike wiring. An electrical wire is a filament of drawn metal, usually copper. As protection against corrosion, the copper wire is plated with a thin layer of tin. Stranded wire is when wires are bundled to keep a conductor flexible. Insulation is material that has a high resistance to the flow of electrical current. A conductor is composed of one or more wires inside a common insulation sheath, suitable for carrying electrical current. A cable consists of one or more individually insulated conductors inside a common jacket. A jacket is the outer covering for protection against the environment. A contact can be made from round metal bar by turning and drilling, or flat metal sheet by stamping and bending, and terminates a conductor. A solder cap is a small bore at the end of a turned contact where the wire is inserted into before it is filled with solder.